ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes in the sky as we bring to you this year's closing exhibition from the co-presenter of the Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition, the Philippines' very own Platinum Fireworks Incorporated.
It's getting dark and we've reached the end. We've come a long way together, you and me. But I'm looking at all the colours in the sky as the sun is setting over the horizon, and I'm feeling like this is the end of an era. The end of an old era and the beginning of a new one. And that's okay. So be in the now. Feel the last touch of light as the world turns again. Sense the cold chill of the wind against your skin. Watch the lasers dancing through smoke on a stage far away. Feel the bass racing across the desert night. Tonight is tonight. And tomorrow we'll wake up and ask each other, where do we go from here?
Mga kababayan, turn up! Di ko na kailangan na magpaganda. Dating ko palang panalo na. Di ko nilang filter sa camera. Na purong ganda ay bandera. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. Ang magkabugera, ganda ko'y irarapa. Di magpapatinag sa sasabihin ng iba. Walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pagkapit ko. Can't wait to go back with you. sa dilim. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to, tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo.
Sigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin.
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. At sa paghabol mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uukit ka ng bagong daan.
Ikaw ang aawit ng kaya mo to, isang panalangin sa gitna ng gulo.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin.
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
Liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing
Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag! Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim.
Take it. Now I'm awake. I'll tell you what I see. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are so real, you are so rare. I see you there, I see you. I see stars, so many stars tonight. You could make diamonds dull. You are so beautiful. I see stars, you shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. You're all stars. See, I went low, not high. That was my problem. Mine. Don't be frightened like me. The darker the night, the brighter you shine. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are on fire, you can rise higher, up in the sky. Enjoy the view. I see stars, so many stars. We could make diamonds fall. We are so beautiful. I see stars, we shine as bright as day. I will look out for you. We'll light each other's way. We are so real, we are so rare. We see you there, we see you. We're all stars, we're all stars. So many Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasutlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangangakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sama sisiglang indah, mga puso'y lumilipad.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house, put the party's out. First choice, first love, you can ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole world party in the Philippines. Now with Angelique, Quinto Bueno on the TV screen. This is like a samba, coming into Manila with the hitting and drums. Yeah, so shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And check the village, Philippines, going up, though we keep stomping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of BBC, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo,
Platinum Fireworks Incorporated. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight for an exciting show of world-class entertainment through fireworks and music, only here at the SM Mall of Asia. Good night and see you all in 2025 for the 12th Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition.